El Universal TV.
I'm Kimberly.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
This is our Loki Lego launcher, the first spacecraft in the Young Stuff space program.
Our first version of our spacecraft was made out of PVC pipe, but that was too heavy. So we redesigned it to use arrow shafts from some of my bent archery arrows, which were much lighter.
We attached styrofoam balls to the bottom in the event that we had a water landing. We were excited and nervous when we were getting ready for launch day. We took a long time trying to find a good launch site.
3, 2, 1. We call it the Loki Lego launcher because Loki is our cat, and we were going to send Lego Hagrid into space, but decided to go with Lego R2-D2 instead.
The cool thing about adding a flight computer to our spacecraft is because of all the data we were able to collect on our mission. Our spacecraft got up to 78,000 feet. That's 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest. We discovered that our spacecraft was moving at an average speed of 35 kilometers an hour.
However, after the balloon burst, at one point it reached a peak speed of 110 kilometers an hour. That was during the tropopause, which is the area between the troposphere and the stratosphere.
When our balloon burst, the spacecraft came down really fast, even with a parachute.
We chose a launch site in central Washington to make sure that it didn't land on anyone.
Thank goodness for GPS. We would never have found it without GPS. We learned a lot of things from this project. Always be optimistic because we thought things were going wrong when in fact everything was working out just fine.